Hello. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's tutorial, I will be showing you this very easy, very simple um, top. Okay, so it's just like a rectangle, a round rectangle, and I did put different colors. So this is very simple. I just did use a double crochet, chain double crochet, and a half double crochet all along, all around this project. Okay, so I will show you how to start this project. So we're going to start in this part here. Okay, so we're going to start this way and then go around, and then we will end this part. So both sides, okay, needs to be the same. Okay, so I will show you how to do the stitches and how you change your color. Okay, so grab a yarn, okay, and make a chain of how much wide do you want, okay, because this will wrap your chest part. If you want longer, you can. If you want shorter, you can. So with mine is, as you can see in the photo, it's not that big. Okay, so slip knot, okay, and then chain, so chain, as I mentioned before, chain as much as you need. Okay, so if you need how many centimeter and stuff like that, so make that chain. So I will just make it short for myself. Okay, and then from here, then you have to block. If you have your chain ready, again, then you have to block this last stitch and then chain 4. Okay, so 4, so 3 chain is count as double crochet, and then we have to have 1 chain. Okay, and then yarn over, so we have 1 2 3 there, and then we have chain there, so we have to skip 1 over here, and then we have to make our double crochet so we can have that window. Okay, and then from here just chain 1 and then skip 1 and then double crochet into the next. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Okay, so this is what we have here. Okay, so this is where we put our string or our cord, okay, to close it up. Okay, so from here we will be just doing half double crochet. Okay, so from here we chain 2 and then turn your work. Okay, so we are not going to do here but in the space. Okay, so we are going to do in the space half double crochet, and then on top of double crochet half double crochet, and then in the space, half double crochet. We're doing a half double crochet, not a double crochet, sorry guys. Okay, so half double crochet. Okay, half double crochet, just pull through all 3 loops. Okay, yarn over, insert, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so that is half double crochet, and you just have to continue that until the end of the row. And you can make that how many rows do you need. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, so we're getting close to the end and the last one. Okay, so don't forget this stitch over here. Okay, we need to put, okay, so that's it. So that is our half double crochet. So you can decide. Okay, so with mine is I do have four rows of half double crochet in purple. Okay, in this side as well I do have 4 rows of purple half double crochet, and in, so you just have to have that matching. Okay, and the red one I do have 4 as well. So this is my front. Okay, and we're going in the back, but you know, I have 4 in purple, I have 4 in red, and then in yellow I do have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 rows. Okay, so I have 7 rows in yellow, and then I do have 1 2 3 4 5 rows in red, and then go to purple. Okay, so in the purple, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 rows in purple. And yeah, so if you decide how many rows, and then in the end you have to change your color if you are going to change color. Okay, so you cut it off, finish your rows, and then start another row with different color. Okay, so if you're changing color, okay, so you finish here. I will show you guys. So if you do have your rows and you are going to change color, so there's 2 ways that you can change color. Okay, you finish this off. Okay, or you can just continue doing this, okay, by inserting this. Sorry guys. Okay, so by inserting this here, okay, and then chain 2, just make sure that is tight enough, and then you have to do your normal half double crochet. Okay, okay, or else that is how you do it, or else you can cut it off and then insert your yarn and then start with chain 2. It will be like the same as well. So that is how you change your color. Okay, so you measured, okay, how what is the circumference of your body. Okay, and you have to make that measurement, and just make sure that, okay, well, you stretch it out when you do your crochet. So with this one, I make I made bigger at the back. Okay, so I made bigger at the back. So I just did copy in the front. Okay, so I do have purple here, red, yellow, red, purple. Okay, so at the back, purple, red, yellow, red, purple, and then going back here. Okay, so purple, red, yellow, red, purple. So it's up to you guys. You can make it bigger, or you can make it like one rows or two rows, and then you change color. Okay, so this is a very very simple. It's just a rectangle and very very simple stitches, and then you just have to make your cord. Okay, so with my cord, okay, so with this cord, if you want to do my cord, this is how I do it. Okay, so start with a slip knot. Okay, insert your hook. Okay, and you have to do your chain. Okay, if how long cord do you need? Okay, so just chain that. If how many centimeter do you need, and when you have that ready, okay, so when you have your string long enough for your project, and then from here you have to chain one. Okay, and then single crochet into the last chain that you made. Okay, and then single crochet, and then single crochet until to the last chain from the beginning. Okay, so it's just chain and then single crochet back. So that is how I made my cord for this project. You know, you can do different style of cord. You can make any style you want, but for mine I just want to be strong enough. Okay, it's because you can, as you can see, as you can see, okay, it is very strong. Okay, so it's not, you know, even you pull it tight, you know, it won't break. Okay, so that's how I did it my string. Okay guys, thank you very much and happy crocheting. And if you like this video, please like, share my videos, and if you're new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, so whenever I uploaded a new video you will be notified. And if you do have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you have any questions or anything, if you have thoughts that you want to tell me, please leave them in the comments below, and I will be very very happy to read them and hear how I did my video, if it is good or it's bad. Thank you very much guys, and have a lovely day. See you next time. Bye.